Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock Windows God Mode, a powerful hidden feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11. It gives you access to over 200 plus system settings in one place. Let's dive right in. God Mode is a special folder in Windows that gives you quick access to advanced settings, all in one powerful control panel. First, right-click on your desktop. Select New Folder. Rename the folder with this exact code. I will leave it in the description below for you to copy. Hit Enter and boom! The folder icon changes. That's God Mode. You now have access to every control panel setting Windows offers all in one place. With God Mode, you can quickly add/remove programs, manage devices, change display settings, tweak Windows behavior, and so much more without searching through menus. And that's how you unlock the powerful God Mode in Windows. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more awesome tech hacks from IT Next. See you in the next one.